In this lesson, we will simplify a trigonometric expression step by step. Step 1. Write both fractions over a common denominator. The common denominator is cos a times left parenthesis 1 minus sine a right parenthesis. Rewrite the left fraction. Now rewrite the right fraction. Finally, place them together over the common denominator. Step 2. Expand the numerator and combine like terms. Expand left parenthesis 1 minus sine a right parenthesis squared. Use the Pythagorean identity. Sine squared a plus cosine squared a equals 1. This gives 2 minus 2 sine a in the numerator. Step 3. Factor the numerator and cancel the common factor. Factor out 2. Cancel the factor 1 minus sine a from top and bottom, as long as 1 minus sine a is not 0. We get 2 over cosine a. Final note on the domain. The original expression requires cosine a not equal 0 and 1 minus sine a not equal 0. Therefore, the simplified result is 2 secant a.
Thanks for watching MuyVerse Maths. If this helped you, hit that like button, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick maths tricks and proofs. See you in the next one.